Next, moving on to the medicinal use of microbes. It is used as antibiotics. Now, bacteria and fungi are used to make them. Example, Penicillium notatum. It is a fungus and it acts on Staphylococcus bacteria that causes cold. Antibiotics are obtained from bacteria and fungus, and it acts on the other bacteria and kills it. It does not act against virus. Antibiotics are meant only to kill the bacteria, and it is obtained from bacteria and fungi. Example over here is of a fungus, that is Penicillium notatum. Okay, it acts against a bacteria called as Staphylococcus that causes common cold. Few of the other antibiotics are streptomycin, tetracycline and erythromycin. Antibiotics is mixed with the feed of livestock and poultry to protect them from diseases. They are also used to control many plant diseases. Now, antibiotics are usually mixed with the feed of livestock and poultry. Now, what does it do? It protects them from disease, any bacterial disease that is infecting them. And they are also mixed in the soil so that it can control certain plant diseases. It is important to complete the course prescribed by the doctor. This is because bacteria can develop resistance against antibiotics, especially if they have been taken unnecessarily or in wrong doses. Now, this is a very important applicatory type of a question. Why is it important for us to take the complete course prescribed by the doctor? Now, what happens? Suppose if we don't do it, then the antibiotics what we take in will not kill the bacteria, will not kill the harmful bacteria. So that's why it becomes very important for us to take the prescribed dosage. Now, here a particular word called as resistance is being used. Resistance is nothing but it will not be effective. The antibiotics will not be effective against bacteria. It will not kill the harmful bacteria. That is the meaning of it. Antibiotics taken when not required may kill beneficial bacteria in the body. Now, antibiotics unnecessarily, if you take antibiotics, it kills the bacteria, useful bacteria that is present in our body also. Next, moving on to vaccine. Vaccine helps us to protect ourselves from disease such as typhoid, tuberculosis, hepatitis, measles, polio, smallpox, etc. Now, what exactly is vaccine? Vaccine contains dead or weak microbes. Vaccine is made up of dead or weak microbes. Now, these dead or weak microbes are injected into the body. Once it is injected into the body, it stimulates our immune system. It means our body reacts towards this dead or weak microbes. How does it react? By producing antibodies. Now, antibodies fight against this dead or weak microbes. Now, these antibodies remain in the body and protect it from any microbial attack in the future. Now, antibodies are produced when dead or weak microorganisms are injected into the body. Second time, when we are actually infected with a live harmful microorganism, that time the antibodies that are produced will act against the microorganism. Now, dead or weak microbe is introduced so that it does not cause any harmful action against our body. We just want antibodies to be generated over here, because so that when we have second time, when we are actually being infected with a harmful microorganism, these antibodies can fight against it, which remains in our blood for a long time. These antibodies remain in the body and protected from microbial attack in the future. Now, what is this vaccination? The process of injecting a vaccine in an organism's body for protection against disease is called vaccination. This definition is very important. Please memorize it. It is nothing but the process of injecting. You are injecting a vaccine in an organism's body to protect it from disease. This is nothing but your vaccination. Thank you.